is on the track. But to do that, we need to have a knowledge of the distance that we intend to cover. And by that, we mean the space between 2 points. We also need to know at the end of the day, the time taken by that individual to cover that particular space. So to calculate the speed, you need actually to know the distance and the time we're talking about. So speed can simply be defined as the relationship between distance and time. Speed is equal to distance over time. And so we're going to watch this individual and see how well he's going to fare on the pitch and compare the speed with that of the world greatest when it comes to track events. And I'm talking about Usain Bolt. To finish the race, the 100-meter race, in 16.2 seconds. That is to say, if he is to engage in a contest with the world best Usain Bolt, you can be sure he will come 6.44 seconds. You know, after Usain Bolt must have made it to the 100-meter point at 9.4858 seconds as usual.